YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing video to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And definitely click the link down below, which is my Amazon affiliate link. And you can see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Make it ship to you fast. So here we go. We got Easter weekend. So got a little holiday coming up. Now this is ooh. Oh baby. This is gonna be a nice one. TOPTRO Model X5 1080p video projector. There's all the good stuff on that side. Let's take a look inside. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. And like I said, YouTubers, all you gotta do is click the link. Check it out. Oops. Get a nice little travel bag. Take this to you on the road, maybe a friend's house. Maybe for a gaming night, hook it up to your Switch or Xbox or PlayStation, whatever you prefer, or just PC, laptop. Do some PC gaming on this. We'll set it up downstairs. I gotta get things organized down there, so we'll have this tested out. Ooh. Get some goodies on this. Whoa. That's a book. It should be easy to set up. We don't need that pop or HDMI. Gonna need some controllers or batteries. Probably AAA. I don't need to use the HDMI. I already got mine downstairs. Yeah, we're gonna need AAAs. I have plenty of those. Keep that to the side. And we got power source right here. Oh, old school. And then power. 3-pin. This is a nice little pouch. Something in here. Oh, I get some cleaning wipes to clean the projector. Really nice. First time I ever seen one of this type of package deal. So that's really cool. Oh, she's not too heavy. It's alright though. Really nice though, travel tote. Really nice. Here we go. Take this out of the package. Got the front controls right there. Don't forget to take the cap off. Fans, or is that's, yeah, that's fan. You got the adjusting knob right here. This side. Here's the back. Power. You got 2 HDMIs. That's a good thing. 2 USBs. The IR right there. Headphones. VGA. I was going to do HDMI computer. The bottom should be like a mini tripod type deal. So you could adjust it. Hopefully we won't need to, because I already got a tripod. I need to get a better one though. That's the next thing I need to get is a tripod for projectors. But I do got a nice screen down there, so next step to the basement. I'll be right back. Guys, we are down in the basement now. Got it all set up. This looks really good. Really clear picture so far for the menu. I just gotta find my remote. Somewhere I put it. Oops. This is it. Yep. So you can do Miracast, iOS cast, video and picture. We're gonna switch to, I think it's 1. Whoops. Number 2. Okay, I gotta turn my computer on. Hold on 1 sec. Alright guys. Really nice picture. Looking really good. Definitely can't wait to try some movies and sports. Do some gaming on it. Like I said, I'm just running my PC desktop right now. That thing right there. So I'm just running it off. But it is super quiet. Looks good. Really impressed. So definitely check them out, guys. I'll leave my YouTube or Amazon affiliate link down below, and just add it to your cart now and check out. So you can use it off the wall or just like on a projector, so it's up to you how you want to have it set up. But right now, looking good. Like I said, can't wait for some sporting events, baseball and whatnot. Alright, YouTubers, have a good weekend and be safe out there. Happy Easter to all, and see you in the next video.